Hi guys, welcome to Prague. It was snowing during the night, so we will take a small tour with my Fujifilm X-T4 camera and 50-140 lens. I love that lens. I love this long focal length for street photography. We start at Légií bridge. As you can see, I love trams. Not only Prague trams, the trams in all the cities. Yellow Lisbon trams, yellow trams in Budapest, and also our red trams in Prague. Prague is special now because it's without tourists because of COVID-19 pandemic. You can see the empty path. It's working day, 8 a.m. Looking for right angle. Nope. Maybe this one with nice framing of tree branch. Yeah, that's it. Could be. I often take photos in portrait mode because I share it on my Instagram a lot. So I often forget to take photos in landscape mode. Here we are, Charles Bridge. Love this composition with lamp. I often take this photo in different weather conditions, especially now without tourists. It's great. I usually take more photos because I don't know when I'm taking the photos which one will be the best. There are only small details in composition, but when I see it at home, then I usually love only one of them. For example, this photo, I was only trying to find the composition. I wanted to take it without the woman walking against me, but I also have the photos without her. But I love only this one photo, and it was the photo with the woman, so I had to remove her then. Okay, let's go under the bridge. It's another place I love. Very special with snow. The classic Prague photo. Let's make portrait, let's make a landscape. I didn't forget now. And this is another side of the Charles Bridge. I love this place. I discovered it 1 year ago. I love the framing between the tree and between the leaves. find the best composition. Oh, it's hard for my GoPro. It survived. This is the true pandemic atmosphere of Prague. Empty playground under the snow. I love it. Looking for the composition. Let's find the right angle. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's go to my another favorite spot. It's the place with swans. Let's have one photo during my way. Watch out the cars and let's find the right angle. Love these old streets of Prague. Here we are, my favorite swan spot. Absolutely no people now. It's crazy. I love the color contrast, the orange leaves and white snow. This is always about luck because swans are not static. So let's try to find the right composition. Go there, go there. No. Come on, I want only one swan. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Could be. Okay, let's go to Malá strana. Hey, watch out. Another tram. It's 9 a.m. Huh, what's this? Looks nice, this is usually closed. Maybe some school, but looks like prison. Love this market atmosphere, the warm light. Nice. Yeah, this is another spot I like. The tram coming out the tunnel. I want it without the car. Maybe now. Yeah, I like the leading lines of tram. Hey, that wasn't on me. I love trams because they make a very nice contrast to the city, because they're red or yellow. They always have some nice color, which is very contrasty to the grey city. Oh, this is empty framing. Woman is coming. Could be nice. Yeah. Like the atmosphere. I love this spot. You don't see it on video, but there's a tower, Légií Tower, the biggest tower in Prague. Looking for the best composition. You don't have much time. People are coming. Yeah, that could be. I also love this tower. This is usually full of people. Very special view now. Okay, my 50 focal length is not enough. Maybe now. Okay, so thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.